course, he dies, only to have everything start to unravel. Looking more broadly, right now the multiverse is in flux with movies like No Way Home and Multiverse of Madness. While Kang isn't connected to either of those events yet, those movies are already priming us for Kang's impending multiversal war. We're starting to learn the rules and the dangers that accompany wild multiversal collisions, just like the Infinity Saga introduced us one by one to the powers and dangers of the individual stones via movies that were completely disconnected from Thanos. The Reality Stone in Thor 2, the Time Stone in Doctor Strange, the Tesseract in Avengers, the Power Stone in Guardians. That way, when everything comes together with Kang, all the rule setting and world building has already been done in previous movies. All of this means that, if we consult the handy-dandy story cheat sheet, the next time we'll be interacting with Kang will be the pinch points. And hey, wouldn't you know it, but we have 2 projects next year that have that pair of pinch points. One of these has to be Loki Season 2, due out in mid-2023. This one's obvious because at the end of Season 1 of Loki, we see giant Kang statues in the new layout of the rebooted TVA. Safe to say that Kang is going to play a huge role in Loki's return, which means that there's going to be plenty of time to get those pinches in. But the other pinch point is going to come even sooner than that, with Quantumania's release in February of 2023, and that one is going to be the death pinch.
This is wild.
And here's where the theory gets interesting. Loyal theorists, I submit to you Exhibit A, a minor leaked image from Quantumania's pre-production. These shirts were allegedly made for Quantumania's stunt team, depicting a broken Ant-Man helmet and the reflection of Kang the Conqueror ominously charging an energy blast. Now, third installments of MCU films historically end with the destruction of a hero's iconic equipment. Iron Man 3 had Tony hit the fireworks button on his whole iron closet, Captain America Civil War had Steve Rogers renounce his shield, and Thor Ragnarok shattered Mjolnir like it was made out of Lego. What this means is that Scott Lang might just be left to face the nearly immortal time demigod Kang with only his wits. And well, those aren't great odds. And I'm not the only one to notice the power imbalance here. Back in October of 2021, Jonathan Majors, actor for Kang the Conqueror, was interviewed on the late night show Jimmy Kimmel. When he's questioned on how Ant-Man would possibly be able to contend with someone of Kang's power, we get this.
No offense to Ant-Man, but Kang, if Kang is a Thanos, yeah.